Hey guys, it's Oberstadt, and I know you guys probably just saw this makeup look, or maybe you saw it a day or two ago. I'm going to be doing the Battle of again. I have not one but two of the little mini guys for the Benefit Gimme Brow. I have one in shade 5 and one in shade 4.5. I already have my brows filled in with the pencil, but I wanted to use the actual brow products, one in one brow, one in the other, and see if there really is a big noticeable difference between the two shades. I did a swatch video swatching all of my various eyebrow pencils or eyebrow any product. Not only do I have quite a few, but I noticed that swatching these on my hands, one looks more like a black brown or a brown black shade, and the other one looks more like a neutral brown. So I'm not quite sure with how dark my hair is, which one is going to match my hair better. My brows are a little bit lighter than my natural hair color, so we will see how that is. So that's what I'm going to be doing today. I'm going to zoom you guys in and let you guys see what this looks like. In the video that went up, it should go up before July 1st, in my June Shop My Stash video that I just finished recording actually, I am doing a giveaway. So if you go to that video and comment on it, and make sure you are subscribed, you will be entered into the giveaway to win one of the 2 different eyeliners that I am giving away, and you get to pick your own shade. I will ship it worldwide. So that ends on July 5th. So hopefully this video will go up before then. So anyways, I'm gonna zoom you guys in and we will get started. All right. So both of these have the same wand. I have had shade 5 for quite a while. And this is the little guy here. I'm gonna just grab my little Hoola bronzer because there's a mirror in it. So what I do with these is a little bit differently than what some people do, is I brush up, and I have I have my own brows, so I just need the hair darker. I always brush my hair up, and then when I get out here to the end where my tail is, I will comb it forward. It feels really weird. Okay, it feels like tickly weird. And then I will come back. And again, I'm not going all the way to the skin. I'm just getting the hairs. And I brush my hair down. Again, it looks a little crazy. And then I come back one more time and just kind of fluff them back up. And then any little tips or anything that are like sticking completely straight up. I was trying to find my little spoolie. I take a regular spoolie. I comb my brows completely straight up. And as you can see, my eyebrows are pretty long. And then I just kind of tip the edges over. And that's all I do to my brows. And sometimes I'll run a clear brow gel through, but I find with this, it stays pretty good in my brows and I don't have to worry about having like crunchy brows, and it doesn't transfer a whole lot. So that is shade 5. And now for shade 4.5. This is one I specifically picked out on Ipsy because I wanted to see, oh, the color's even different on here. I didn't even pay attention to that before. The color on the wand. It's funny, I can see it with my eye, but I don't know if the camera's gonna pick it up. Let me put that down. Okay, so this one is 5 and this one's 4.5. Let me get up. So the top one here is 5 and the other one is shade 4.5. You can actually see there's a color difference just on the wand. Interesting. I never paid attention to that before. but I've only had the little sucker for like 2 weeks. So don't be mad at me. All right, now for this eyebrow. I just got some on my skin, I could feel it. Well, at least it wasn't my nose. Alright. Now before it dries, and my little brush is like bent from like getting smashed into things, but I kind of like it bent, so I don't straighten it back out. And if I find that some of them don't lay down the way I want them to, again, I just brush them back up and comb them over. So that is 4.5 right there versus 5. I think 5 actually is darker. Holy, I never noticed that there was a difference. Ooh. Minus the bloop on my eyebrow, but this is definitely a neutral shade, the 4.5. The 5 is actually almost black looking. It looks darker, which, you know, let's do a hair comparison. Let me grab some hair. So you can see there's kind of more red in my hair. Grab some hair on this side. I don't know if which side I like. Which side do you like better? So we have 5 and 4.5. I think 4.5 matches my hair better, but 5 I like better because it's darker. 4.5, 5. I will take some pictures and insert them here in just a second so that you guys can see what these look like with flash, to see if you like the 4.5 or the 5 better. I'm so used to the 5 because that's what I've used for like almost a year and a half, 2 years now, that the 4.5 almost looks a little too light. But I think they both work for my brows. I mean, the color is good on both of them. And the 4.5 is a neutral shade. I was worried that it would pull to red. Some brow colors do look super red on me, and I was worried that that is what would happen. So leave your thoughts down below and let me know what you think. 5 or 4.5? I like both. So when I run out of 5, I have 4.5 and it'll work. So I'm not completely disappointed with it. I also did the swatch video of all of my like eyebrow products. I will leave that linked either in a card or down below if it's already up before this goes up, depending on when I edit this. So anyways, that is it for this video, people. Let me know what you guys think. Give me your thoughts and opinions down below on 4.5 or 5. I mean, which one do you like in my brows better? Again, like I said, I like both. I would be completely happy with either or. And these are the mini sizes. These are like worth $9 or something like that. You can buy a size a little bit bigger than this. It's 0.1 ounce or something like that. Let's see, these are both 1.0 grams. I think the next one up is 1.5 grams or 1.3 grams, and it's like $12 or $13 for the size up from this. This is like the actual sample size. And then you've got like the tester size that you can buy from Benefit or from like Ulta. I will leave those linked down below if you want to check these out. They come in various shades. And, excuse me. The full size thing, from what I understand, is like 3 times the size. It's like 4 ounces. But this, 4 grams. It's either 3 or 4 grams, and the tube is $24. And I think it would take me forever to go through it, because I mean, it's taken me 2 years to go through this little thing. So I can't imagine how long it would take me to go through one of those, and I don't want to buy one. I mean, and I got this before they did the recalls. So anyways, I'm Rebecca Oberstadt. Hopefully you guys have a great day or night wherever you are, and I will see you in another video very soon.